Hey guys, today we're driving a 2022 Subaru Forester Wilderness, and we have an off-road course here at Road America at the Midwest Automotive Media Association Spring Rally. Haven't actually driven a wilderness product off-road, so we've got a pretty muddy track on today's course. Lots of rain the last 8 hours today, so looks like we'll have some fun on this thing. We'll be putting the Subaru X-Mode all-wheel drive system through its paces, really putting it to the test. So let's see how it does and how it performs in the mud today. Should be a lot of fun. Of course, with this Subaru Forester Wilderness Edition, we have more ground clearance, a slightly uprated CVT, and some more enhanced drive modes. Let's put us into deep snow and mud. That'll turn traction control off. Switch it into drive, and I think we're ready to go. This is my first run on this off-road course, so we'll familiarize ourselves with it. I figured this was a good car to do it with. We have a number of different courses for a bunch of different vehicles. So, yeah, you can see there's quite a variety here, from Wrangler Rubicon 392s to this Mitsubishi Outlander that competed in the Rebelle Rally. Pretty nice looking interior with this wilderness package. Looks even better with a little bit of mud slung around it too. We have a lot of physical controls and buttons. I appreciate that you can order one of these without the massive tablet touchscreen. Makes this just a little bit more of a simple car to drive and use and live with on a daily basis. You get heated seats, a camera view for the front end, which is kind of neat. Could help a little bit with rock crawling situations, though it is a pretty tiny screen. Lots of safety tech and driving assistance with the Subaru EyeSight system. All of that is controllable here on the steering wheel. You have a couple different drive modes, S Sharp and Intelligent. All right, guys, off we go. So we spent a little bit of time in a Subaru Outback Wilderness Edition. Drove it in the snow in the winter. I found it to be kind of a bit of a rally car. A lot of power from a turbocharged boxer engine. The CVT was pretty responsive too. This Forester is just a little bit more of a compact package, which I appreciate. Slinging lots of mud in this thing today. It is going to be pretty fun to test out the traction control systems. There we go. Maintain our speed through some of this. Wait for the go ahead. All right. Up we go. Made it. Over the hill, through the stream, into the valley. Completely off the throttle here. We've got a hill descent control that's taking us down the hill at lower speeds. We'll wade through this. This is a fun off-road course. Well done, Road America. All right, we're going to stay left here. Initial impressions, ride quality in this is great. Pretty softly sprung. If you want something with a little bit more off-road capability, let's say you live in Colorado, but you don't want the fuel economy penalty of a 4Runner or a Jeep or a body-on-frame SUV, this will probably get you most places that you try to go with minimal pain at the gas pump. I would personally throw on a slightly more aggressive set of all-terrains on this. The tires that come standard on this, Forester Wilderness are a little bit more highway oriented. Maintain our speed up this hill. All right, we'll keep us in the tracks here. A little bit sideways, a little bit squirrely. There we go, powering through. Gotta love the extra ground clearance that you get in this wilderness package. This is a pretty good breakover angle too. We're gonna stay right through here. Boy, this reminds me of my old rallycross days. Nice. This might be the most fun off-road course we've had yet at one of these Midwest Automotive Media Association rallies. Honestly, in conditions like this, you're just kind of at the whim of whatever ruts are already established in the course. We really want to keep our momentum up in this. Make sure not to slow down too much or run over signs. But I've got to say, this X-Mode all-wheel drive system is doing a nice job. We're rotating well around these corners. Oh boy, it's getting a little bit tight in here. There we go, we can dig ourselves out here. There we go. We'll engage the front camera just for fun. Stay right. Looks good. All right. There we go. Doing a nice job in an articulation situation, distributing power. There we go. Got to stay into it sometimes with these systems. We'll try to stay out of these ruts here and away from those rocks to the right. There we go. All right, continuing on. Still at the mercy of these ruts. Haven't scraped or bumped anything in this yet. We're paying attention to this rock here. Just kind of steering straight. Okay. Sweet. And around we go. Try not to sling this guy with mud. Good all-wheel drive system. Got us out of some pretty hairy situations. Climbed some pretty steep hills. And the tires put down their traction quite well in these situations. That was fun. Okay, guys, well, that's a video on the Forester Wilderness. Pretty impressive stuff from Subaru there. Made pretty quick and easy work of a very muddy off-road course. Pretty neat to be following the that Outlander, that rally-style Outlander too. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this, gave you a little bit of a taste of what this Wilderness package is like off-road. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.